great deal of information regarding aliens, interdimensional beings, angelic, and demons. Can you explain to our listening audience what's all out there? Because you blew my mind when you talked about this.
You know, it's pretty incredible. Everyone expects the whole UFO phenomenon to just have one strong answer. Oh, it's ETs from Zeta Reticuli or one of those other stars systems. But the truth is that this phenomenon is far weirder and more extraordinary than extraterrestrials visiting us. Although we have had ETs visiting us over time, most of what we're dealing with is what we call a non-human intelligence. It's a presence on this planet that it doesn't really have a human form or any form at all. It's more of a thought form. And it's been interacting with humanity for quite a long time. It's been affecting our consciousness. It's been, causing one nation to fight against another, creating religions for us to be guided by. And then we have these other dimensional beings to where, there's another solar system just like ours, but in a slightly different dimension with slightly different characteristics and history. And some of what we're dealing with is crossing over of from other dimensions. And of course, the the afterlife plays into this very heavily as well. There is a realm that is, the afterlife, and it's sort of like the in between, on Stranger Things, or the Upside Down, I think they called it.
Yeah, you're right.
It's an area, it's a realm of the dead, and a lot of these ultra-terrestrial, extra-dimensional beings, when they come to our reality, they pass through this realm of the dead, and they have little hitchhikers that come with them. So it's really a broad range of specific things that are a part of this entire phenomenon.
All right, so it made me think about a couple questions I have on that. So do you think that's why we don't have disclosure from our government, because there's so much stuff happening, they have no idea what's going on? There's just so much?
No, you're right. Everyone thinks that there's a file cabinet that has the truth of the whole phenomenon in that file cabinet. And while there is a file cabinet, the file cabinet just has a lot of data. But